there's one more thing that I have been planning on doing for a long time, and I think as a man you need to do it once in your lifetime. I'm pretty sure someone said that. Someone who probably knows a lot more than me, who has a bigger following. It's driving me insane. I've been trying to think about it because I thought it'd be like a cool way to introduce this video. And I know I've not told you what I'm talking about yet, but I just thought it'd be incredible to introduce that video that way. Anyway, my lame introduction will have to do there. But the one thing that I've been really wanting to do is let my hair grow out for a long time. I get a lot of comments on this channel saying I should shave my hair off, and to me, like, yeah, I know so many guys look awesome with no hair and a beard, but like I've actually got a fairly good head of hair still, and I want to make the most of that. So as the barbers are closed and I expect to be in lockdown probably until April, Easter time in the UK, I thought this is the perfect time to grow my hair out. And I've been watching some videos on YouTube just to kind of get a gist for it, like see what guys look like. And if I'm being perfectly honest, like, I probably won't sue longer hair, but you just simply don't know. Like, I could Photoshop myself with long hair. I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think I'm gonna see how good the hair is going to look. So what's the point of doing that? I think the best way to do it is just let it grow out. And I've been thinking, like, what's the best way of growing your hair out? Should you still go to the barbers if you could? Or do you just let it grow out and just go all out? And I think my initial thoughts are, like I did with the Yeared series, when you should definitely check that out. When I grew my beard out for a year and I just kind of didn't get it trimmed whatsoever, I used to get the sideburns blended in. I think for me, like, the way in which I kind of work and operate is, like, I just need to go all in to make sure I actually do it. So I think by not getting a haircut for the next 12 months, just letting it grow out and go a bit crazy and just dealing with that maybe by, I don't know, using hairbands? I don't even know. Like, I watched some videos, some guys who bought headbands. They even used these really annoying bobby pins that if your partner has long hair, you will find everywhere, in every crevice, around the house. You will look on your bedside table, they will somehow be there. You'll go to the bathroom, they will be there. You will go and get something out the fridge and they will be there. Bobby pins are everywhere. But some guys use those, and I thought, wow, you know what? They might work, and I can join that annoying crowd and just steal my partners if I need to. Like, I think it's a good point to raise, and I think there's that element of, is this a feminine thing to do? Is it a masculine thing to do? To be honest, I just don't have any views on that kind of thing. I'm really open to men being less masculine by the very literal definition of masculinity, and just like expressing whatever they want to do. And that's kind of what I'm aiming to do with this. And if you watched my last video, you already know that I'm planning on growing the beard out. So I'm going to be growing the beard out for a long time. I'm going to be growing my hair out for a long time. This could get seriously bad. Like, this could be a disaster. It could look absolutely awful, or it might just work out to be like the best thing I ever did. I really don't know yet, but I thought it'd be cool just to bring you along with like my hair growth journey. So like once a month on this channel, and I know it's normally about beards, I'm just going to give you a bit of an update about how my hair has been going and like what I'm doing to look after it. It's just going to add another dimension to this channel, and I'm really excited to kind of go forward with this and introduce like hairs and hairstyling and things like that onto this channel, which I've never really done before on here, but it's something I've been considering about. Like, I'm just making sure my hair is in picture here. Like, it's a Monday, I've been at work all day, I've had a hat on, it's 7:01 p.m. Like, it's been a long day. Like, my hair and head's been through a lot. I don't normally wear too much product because my hair sits quite nicely. It's like quite long. I had a skin fade recently, and that's kind of grown in quite well, and it's quite a high skin fade, so there's a lot of hair growth to come here, which means I'm going to have a really awkward, like, sticking out bits of hair as I let it grow out. But it'd be cool to bring you along this journey, and at the end of the maybe the 12 months or 18 months, however long I do this, I'll put together another time lapse so we can see that transformation happen. And maybe I'll do it after like every few months, put a little time lapse together, and you can see that transformation maybe as a short or something. But yeah, excited for this new chapter of the channel, and to also add another layer to it. So I'll see you real soon, my friends. Goodbye.